how to turn off auto reply message on Facebook page. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can turn off auto reply messages on Facebook page. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to log in into Meta Business Suite. So open up a browser, type in Meta Business Suite and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred Facebook account. After that, switch to your Facebook page or select your preferred Facebook page. So once you land on this kind of interface, navigate to the menu bar on your left hand side, click on Inbox. On the inbox, navigate to top and click on Automations. Again, under Automation, scroll down a bit and head towards your automation. There is a toggle that says instant reply. You have to turn it off. And that's it. That's how you turn off auto message reply on Facebook page, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.